actual village life.
नेपाल को स्वागत.
आपका नाम
Valencia.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Namaste.
नमस्ते
Namaste. Namaste. Oh.
कितने साल बैठे हो आप इंडिया?
42
42 साल.
Wow.
कहाँ पे?
नारायणा
नारायणा.
नया दिल्ली.
क्या कर रहे थे वहाँ पे?
वहाँ पे नौकरी करना. हमारे बाप के राजधानी के बैठे बैठे खा लूं.
इंडिया अच्छा लगा या फिर नेपाल ज्यादा अच्छा है?
लगता तो अच्छा वही है पर अपना यहाँ थोड़ा बहुत जमीन है तो बैठना ही तो पड़ेगा ना यहाँ आके. नौकरी करना, बाल बच्चे पढ़ाना, लिखाना.
हाँ.
अब यहाँ आके मरना पड़ रहा है.
Touch this.
Oh no! 别骗我碰这个。欺负
इसका
我
नाम
读
क्या
书
है?
少是吧？我农村出
क्या?
来的，我能不知道这玩意儿？
ये होता
这
क्या
些
है?
痛苦的去倒是。टच करके देखो ना वैसे।
नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगी. मैं नहीं करूँगी.
एक बार टच करके देखो खुद ही पता चल
नहीं. Try.
Oh, you try. So good, so good. You try.
Just had my lunch at a person's place. So here this whole village is like a family. I actually came and stayed at somebody else's house, but the neighbors asked me to come and eat. So just ate something. It was so tasty. They actually pluck fruits and vegetables from their farm and they cook it. So it's very fresh. This is the house that I'm staying in tonight. It's a typical village house. Okay. Kitchen है ये ना? That's the kitchen. I love what I'm experiencing at the moment, and honestly, I had to take that bus, and honestly, I had to come here. I'm just processing what's happening right now. They've given me some water, like hot water. They said I should have it. And yeah, this is someone's room who I don't know. And look at all that. There's a flag there. I had this internal desire to live in a village just to experience the Nepali life. I did this in India, in Ladakh, and now I did it here.
Good morning.
Good morning. कैसे हो? What is that?
I don't know tea, maybe Nepal tea.
Okay.
Zong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like?
Like, very like.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. There are two. दो. रात को सोने नहीं दिया.
इसने
दोनों.
रात भर सोना नहीं दिया.
नहीं. अभी चुपचाप है. अभी चुपचाप खा रहा है.
चुपचाप खा रहा है.
गाँव की रोटी. बहुत अच्छा है. किसका बनता है ये?
国外一般很少别的不筷子。
ये जो है ना ये
他们一般都是用
रागी.
कोदो.
नाचनी बनता है इससे, राइट?
अगर इंडिया में मिठाई बनता है ना ये ढोडा बर्फी जो होता है ना हाँ,
介绍。
वो इसी का बनता है.
Roti, and this looks like chocolate color, but it's not. And along with that, broccoli की सब्जी. Broccoli vegetable.
拿了一个筷子，现在来吃。
He's using chopsticks to eat roti.
他们的是吧？ 哎，我说这个东西这么好吃啊！
और खाना है ना
नहीं.
खा लो.
हाँ, बस. कहाँ रखना है इसको? नीचे? Okay. धन्यवाद आपको. Thank you. अब और बना रहे हो?
ये अच्छा लगता है.
ये क्या है?
ठंडी के
ये अभी जो खाया था वही है?
वही है.
We don't have a plan, but we most probably will be heading to Pokhara because I want to see Pokhara for a very long time, but we detoured to the village. I mean, I actually wanted to do both. This village has given me a lot of different kind of emotions, honestly, because I didn't expect this kind of treatment. Look at the clouds. Oh my god. The fog. It's so important that when someone from a different country comes to your country, you treat them well, because they take this memory with them and then they're going to tell the whole world about it because they're travelers. One bad experience can actually change the entire perspective and the entire trip. I've been here 4 to 5 days in Nepal already, and it's been beautiful right up from day one. Not once have I felt uncomfortable as a woman. Not once have I felt like I should run away from a certain situation. Not any man in Nepal has made me feel unsafe, literally. So this is where they wash their hands and face, brush, everything. It's like a bathroom. And this is where the iconic toilet is. So back in the day, there used to be these toilets that we used to use even in India, but they still use it. This is the water that you use, and that's the toilet. I'm not going to take you in. This is what you experience. Everything comes with it, right? So once in a while it's good to remind yourself that this is where you started, because these kind of things are getting so much more minor and smaller and more narrower. So I really like that I can come back at this age, in this era, to this kind of a place. आपको मेरे दिल से बड़े धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. आपने हमें आपके घर पे रखा, और आपको तो of course सबसे बड़ा thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. I'm very grateful for this experience, and now it's only time to move on and move towards Pokhara. So Pokhara is 3 hours away from here, and we'll be taking a bus from here. Probably be making a new video there and exploring the city. I've heard like there's more nature there. I've had enough of it here. Most importantly, meet new people. I've met a new person here. He's from China and he's never experienced a village life. This is what I like about travelers. They're very open and spontaneous to a lot of other plans which do not probably exist on the itinerary. Thanks for watching, and thanks for experiencing this thing with me, because it's been so overwhelming, so deep for me, and I cannot put it in words what I felt here. Every single moment has been so beautiful. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. If you see, there's a rose at the back of my bag. It was given by a person from the village, and the way they welcomed me and everything that was done right up from the time I entered the village till I'm leaving right now. I was treated so well. I was treated so damn well. They have a motto here in Nepal. It's called Atati Devo Bhava, which means treat your guests like God. And this is exactly what they did. It's like my heart's desire is complete, and I wouldn't ask for more than this. हम इसमें जाएंगे.
हाँ. कैसे लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा. Thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगा मिलके.
ये देखो मुंबई की लड़की जा रही है गाँव की गाड़ी में.
Bye.
Bye. Wow, I didn't expect this. Everything here is so surprising, one after the other. The roads are not even developed completely. You know how hard this is? They are so used to taking these cars and bikes every single day from these roads. And in India we call it the Kachi Sadak, which is a raw road. This is dangerous. This is not a normal person game. It's something that you need to be doing literally for many years.
Oh my god.
What? Are you scared?
Yeah. Dangerous.
The people here are so humble. I'm literally falling short of words of how much I never expected to be treated like. And every time I feel like the world is shit, just travel and you know how nice people actually exist on this planet. I believe you had a wonderful view at my story here in the village. I had a wonderful stay and I'm heading to Pokhara now. See you.